Welcome to our channel where we explore the most exhilarating rides on the planet. Today, we're diving into the realm of speed, showcasing the 3 fastest cars that have ever graced the asphalt. Number 3, Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. With a mind-blowing top speed of over 300 miles per hour, the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus holds the crown for the fastest production car in the world. Its quad-turbocharged W16 engine produces a staggering 1,600 horsepower, propelling it to unimaginable speeds. Number 2, SEC Tuatara. Following closely behind is the SEC Tuatara, a hypercar that shattered records with its verified top speed of 331 miles per hour. Powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine delivering 1,750 horsepower, the Tuatara is a force to be reckoned with on the track. Number 1, Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute. Rounding off our list is the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, a masterpiece of engineering designed for sheer velocity. With a projected top speed exceeding 330 miles per hour, this Swedish marvel is propelled by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine generating 1,600 horsepower. It's not just about raw power. Advanced aerodynamics ensure stability at dizzying speeds. These 3 speed demons redefine the boundaries of automotive engineering, pushing the limits of what's possible on 4 wheels. Which of these speedsters would you take for a spin? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more adrenaline-fueled content. Until next time, drive safe and stay fast.